Are you getting black screen problem in your LG TV? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. So first of all, you need to click on menu button from your remote. You need to scroll down and you need to go to all settings option. After that, you need to scroll down and click on support. In support, you will find an option to update the software. Here you can see at the top, software update. So check for all the updates and update if available. Make sure to update your TV to the latest version. After that, you need to go to reset into initial settings and click on reset to initial setting to reset your TV to the default settings. And if you still face black screen error in your TV, you can check for the power cables and make sure to try different input methods. You can check for remote as well, and you can uh, reboot your system. So this will resolve your software issues. And if you have any hardware issue, then you need to contact any service engineer if you have any hardware issue. So I hope friends this is a useful video for you. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.